Lost important WhatsApp chats on your iPhone and need to get them back. First and foremost, the official method you should try is through iCloud. If you had iCloud backup enabled for WhatsApp, you can uninstall and reinstall the app. Then follow the on-screen prompts to restore your chat history from your iCloud backup. This is the most straightforward way if you have a recent backup available. However, if you don't have an iCloud backup, or need more flexibility like backing up to your computer or transferring chats directly, there are dedicated tools that can help. One such option is software like Phone Chats Transfer. To use it, simply connect your iPhone to your computer via USB, unlock your device and trust the computer. For a backup, choose Backup, ensure Find My iPhone is off, and let it complete. To restore from a backup file on your computer, choose Restore, select your backup, and follow the instructions.